This is my model, Taylor. She has gorgeous skin, and all she needs is a brow. This brow will set her off, so we're gonna perform brow lamination, shape, and tint on her. Let's get started. Cleanse the area. Begin by thoroughly cleansing the eyebrows with cornflower water cleansing liquid and a clean tissue to remove any oils or makeup. Number 2, squeeze a dime size of the number 1 product onto your cosmetic palette. Use one doe foot applicator to pick up a small amount of product and then apply to the first brow. Control your application by building and layering small amounts until the brow hairs are fully saturated. Repeat on the second brow. Number 3, set your timer for 10 minutes. Number 4, apply the cosmetic wrap across both brows. Secure the wrap just beyond client's ears using your crease-free hair clips. Here's a pro tip. To ensure a really smooth brow, I add tension to the cosmetic wrap and press the hairs super flat. I do this by winding the cosmetic wrap around the hair clips. Once the hair clips are secured, I wrap each side one at a time. The purpose of this is to stretch the wrap and add tension. Be sure to avoid laying the wrap across your client's eyes, and this way you'll avoid uncomfortable tension. I've done that before, I've totally pressed the eyes like this. You don't want to do that. To ensure even results, always address the brows in the sequence you began. For example, if you begin with the right brow, always apply the product with every step to that same brow first. Also, always remove product from that brow first, because it will have been processing longer than your second brow.